Get it right. Your versus your in English. Hello, English learners. Today we're diving deep into one of the most common sources of confusion in English language. Your versus your. These words sound the same when spoken, but they have very different uses and meanings. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use these words correctly in any situation. So, let's get started. Let's start with understanding the difference in meanings between your and your. Your is a possessive adjective. It is used to show ownership or possession. For instance, in the sentence, "Is this your pen?" Your is used to indicate that the pen belongs to the person being spoken to. Your, on the other hand, your is a contraction of two words, you and are. It's often used when describing a characteristic or state of the person you're speaking to. Like in the sentence, "You're amazing." Now that we know the meanings, let's look at some common mistakes and how to correct them. Common mistake 1. Incorrect. You're beautiful. Correct. You're beautiful. In this example, your should be used because it's a contraction of you are, and the speaker is describing the listener's state, being beautiful. Common mistake 2. Incorrect. I love your dog. Correct. I love your dog. Here, your should be used because the speaker is talking about something that belongs to the listener, in this case, the listener's dog. The best way to really nail this down is through practice. After watching this video, try writing out sentences using your and your. Remember, practice makes perfect. So that's it, the difference between your and your. Remember, your shows possession, and your is a contraction of you are. Misusing these words is a common error, even for native speakers. But now, you're equipped with the knowledge to use them correctly. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and keep up the great work with your English learning journey.